Hello children, good morning all. And in the previous class we have discussed about our reading about our nation strength. But after finishing reading we have not seen about the question answers, isn't it? So all of you take page number 34. Okay, let's do some bits are there after the first reading. So let's finish the bits that we have. So if you're reading the textbooks, yeah, take the textbook page number 34. Take the pencils. So there are glossaries are there. Write the 5 glossary, and there are 7 questions are there. Write the 7 questions. Each question is very important. First question: do you think Tess can buy the miracle with her savings? Why? So do you think that she can buy? Okay, no. Say miracle. There is no medicine like miracle. And why did the mother says that the surgery was very dearly cost? Because the operation that Andrews needed is very costly, because they are not having much money, and also if they are having money, they do not say, her mother do not say that it is too much cost. So they are like this. Questions are there. So finish the questions. So let's see the second bit. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, give reasons for your answer. Let's give true or false. That's the first one. Andrew's parents had very little money. Is it true or false? Is it true? They don't have much money. Next, Tess' parents were very poor. Yes, it's also true. Tess' parents were not interested to take his brother Andrew to the hospital. They are not interested to take? No, they are interested, but they don't have much money. So it is false. Next, Andrew was seriously ill. Yes, it's true. Tess thought that miracle was a medicine that was available in the medical store. Yes, she thought that it is a medicine. It is a true. So first one is true, second one is true, third one is false, fourth and fifth one is true. Next, come to third bit. Pick the correct answer. I am sorry, the chemistry said, because the miracle that the girl had asked for was not available in the shop, was very costly, was not a medicine. It was not a medicine. Answer is C. Next, Dr. Armstrong wanted to help the child, to collect money from child, to make fun with the child, to help the child. Answer is A. First answer is C and second answer is A. So in page 35 we have vocabulary. So finished? Yeah, let's see what is vocabulary. Given below in the paragraph written by 6th class students, some of words are wrongly given in it. So circle them and write correct spellings. So, and some of one of the 6th class students, they have written a paragraph, and there are some words spellings are missable. Words are wrong. We have to correct them. So let's read. What is that? Food and nutrition. We have discussed about food and nutrition in the 6th class. I hope we have discussed about the science subject about the nutrition of the food. We need a balanced diet to be healthy. Balanced diet provides us major nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. These are two different types of sources of proteins: animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources including fish, egg, meat, etc. Peas and beans are important sources of protein. So what the food that if you take, what proteins we get from some different vegetables and different meats. So given. Now they have given a box, okay, and they are given hospital, operation, medicine, nurse, patient and passenger. So in the same way, draw in your notebook right here, hospital, here nicely, then give some lines. Okay, so So after in operation who in hospital will be there, right? Doctor will be there. Then what they'll do? Operations will be there. Yes, operation. And what else we have? And we have nurses. We have nurses. We have, and we have patients. We have patients. We have patients, and we have medicine. We have patients, we have medicine, and what else we have? Okay, we have nurses, doctors. Okay, medicines we have. Okay, and what else we have? The hospital. Okay, we have patient, medicine, nurses, and we have treatment. Will be having. Will be having treatment, and we have ICU. Will have something like ICU. Okay, emergency curing unit. Okay, we'll have, and also we'll have surgeons. We have surgeon. We have surgeon. Okay, and we have many things. Okay, if you go on like this, so in the same way. Okay, then a notebook, make a circle, then in the middle, right, hospital, and right, what things will you have in hospital? And we also have ambulance. Okay, we have ambulance. Okay, so we can write. Not only ambulance, okay, compounder will be there, okay, nurses will be there, some helpers, okay, cards, okay, then emergency rooms. So if you go to, we'll have all different things like, okay, we have different things that we have things like persons that we have not really heard, right? The same way, the paper, take in your notebook, in your new paper. Neatly write hospital and circle them and point them. Okay, what things will be there? Neatly write. Okay, the words are there. All the things or the persons that are related to the hospital. Write. Okay, as many as words that you can possible. Okay, children. Yeah. Finished. You finished? Okay. Now, after finishing this, okay, let us see about what is regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, let us see. And in the previous class, we have discussed about the verbs. Okay, now it's parts of speech, and let us see about how many kinds of verbs are there. But today, let's discuss about regular verb and irregular verb. Okay. Yes, finish. So let us see about what is regular verb. And irregular verb. So, regular verb is nothing but, okay, regular verb is nothing but, okay, regular verb will be having the word, the verb that we will use the same word will be using, but at the last we'll be adding the words like ed, the words like ed. For example, For example, write stop, write stop. Okay, then play, play. Okay, see, we have used the word play and the word will be repeated. It was regular. The word was regular. It was repeated, and at the last we have used the word ed. So we can see that. Okay, we can see that here. Can look the page number 37. We have regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, see there. Decided. Present tense we use. This one is we use the present tense. We will be in the past tense. So next class I am going to tell you about what is present tense and what is tenses. We are going to discuss about the tenses. So this is about the regular nothing but the word that we use will be regular. It will be using the same tenses. The word that we use in present tense will be used in the past and it will also be used in the future. But at the come to the tenses, by the timings, only the timings will use the word ed. But whereas irregular verb, in present tense and past tense. Here, for example, if you use the word sing, the past becomes sang. Okay, then read will become read. Spelling will be same. Okay, about read and read, but process will be different. For example, you write fall becomes fell. So what happened here? The word will be changed. The verb that we have in the present tense will be changed into in the past tense. Complete. The verb will be changed into irregular verb. The complete meaning will be changed and also the spelling will be changed. Okay. Regular మనం present tense లో ఏవైతే వర్డ్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తామో అదే past tense లో మరియు future tense అదే వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓన్లీ అట్ ద లాస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ed లేదా d అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, d ఆర్ ed ఈ రెండు వర్డ్స్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తుంటాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ వర్డ్ అనేది ఏమైందంటే మనం ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ లో సింగిల్ వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తే అది past tense ఏమైతది sang గా మారుతుంది. వర్డ్స్ స్పెల్లింగ్ మారుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కూడా మారిపోతుంది. ఓకే, కానీ వేరాస్ రెగ్యులర్ వర్డ్ ఏమవుతుంది స్పెల్లింగ్ మారదు, టెన్సెస్ మారినప్పుడు స్పెల్లింగ్ మారదు, కానీ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ఓన్లీ ద లాస్ట్ మనము డి లేదా ed అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తుంటాం. మనకి చూడండి డౌన్ వి హావ్ ద పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ ఆర్ ఫౌండ్ బై యాడింగ్ d or ed to their present tense form. Regular verbs have different forms, present tense and past tense. Here some are. See, you can see fall, fell, give, gave, rise, rose, speak, spoke, sing, sang, leave, left, teach, thought, drink, drank. Okay, then swim, swam, climb. Okay, then if you come here, climb, climbed. Okay, then think, thought, buy, brought. So the words will be changed. Okay, I will teach you about verbs. How much verbs we have plenty of verbs we have. So in the next class I will teach you about the what is verb, okay, and what is tenses. Let us discuss about these things. Okay children, yeah, thank you. Okay, and today's homework is nothing but what is your homework? Okay, homework is write, okay, write at least 5 regular verbs and 5 irregular verbs. Right, 5 regular verbs and 5 irregular verbs. Okay, not that are there in your book. Okay, find out. We have told, what I told before. Okay, for example, we have written here sing, sang, all that one. So instead of that, don't write this one. Write the new words. Okay, write the new words. Okay, like sit, sat. Okay, read, write, read, wrote. Okay, then jump, not jump. What else we have? Swim, swam. So like it, right? At least 5 irregular verbs and 5 regular verbs. Your homework is, my dear children, your homework is write 5 regular verbs and write 5 irregular verbs. That is your homework. ఏమైనా 5 రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ లేదా మరియు ఏమైనా 5 రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ రాయండి. అది నేను మీకు ఇచ్చే హోంవర్క్. రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ అండ్ irregular verbs write 5 each. Okay, not that are there in your textbook or not and the word that I have written on the board. Don't write these words. Write the words new. Okay, write the new words. Okay, children. Thank you.